Hi, my name is Sophie and I'm a Girl Scout from Troop 5665. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make scrunchies. The supplies you'll need are a 3.5 by 22 inch or longer strip of fabric, elastic, pins, a needle, thread, scissors, a measuring tape, and a fabric pencil and chalk. So it is 3.5 by 22 inches long. You'll be marking it with your fabric pencil or chalk. After that, you need to cut your fabric. For step 3, you'll need to cut your elastic. Your elastic should be about 9 inches long. For step 4, you'll want to fold the fabric lengthwise so it's inside out. After that, you'll pin it along the center. For step 5, you will need to use your sewing machine to sew a straight line along the edge of the fabric. Once you're done, it should be an inside-out sleeve. For step 6, you'll pull the strip right side out, so that way the side that you want on the outside is on the outside and the seam is on the inside, making it nice and straight. For step 7, you're going to need to attach the safety pin to your elastic. Then pull the safety pin and elastic through, so that way the fabric is all the way around your elastic, and there is elastic sticking out on both ends. For step 8, remove the pin and tie the elastic into a knot. So for step 9, you'll need to sew the 2 loose ends of fabric together. You can sew them together any way you want, but my favorite way is to fold in the edges to create an even seam and tuck one opening over the other. And then kind of put one pin in there to hold fabric in place, and then just sew it straight across to join the 2 sides. So this is the final product. I think it looks really good, and also I think that it was really fun to make. I hope you guys had fun making it too, and I hope you have a great day.